Preeti has been associated with a lot of government bodies. I must say that it is an honor for me to have you on my show.
There are many happy faces are there who goes in a very good way.
Your early career time, you started as an HR professional.
Before COVID and after COVID, it is one of the third part. I can say that.
Are they going to get benefited to monetary?
So as a technology part, then after if it is being implemented across the locations.
We bring to you the stories of impactful change makers, entrepreneurs, and innovators. Today's guest is someone who leads with passion, empowers with purpose, and uplifts the community through personal and policies. Today I'm going to speak with Preeti, HR leader, motivator, public speaker, and social activist. Preeti has been associated with a lot of government bodies and also been recognized by many government bodies for her work. Let's hear it from her what is her story all about and understand more about how she is making an impact. I must say that it is an honor for me to have you on my show. The moment I saw your profile and got to know about yourself, so I felt very privileged and grateful to interact with you today. So thank you so much for being part of my show.
Great.
And if you can just brief me about your current profile, what do you do and what uh, area of work you are into in just brief nonsense here.
Okay, fine. So presently I'm with Ministry of Labor and Employment, where I worked out in a different policies. Then after labor reforms, grievances. Then after it has come under many of the labor challenges, I can say that which we are facing across the locations part in India. So it is one of the part where people are more towards keen about it. What are the new wages regulations are there? Then after many of the people who are unskilled, then after those who are from a very poor background. So in that case, I can say that they are facing a lot many issues. So we are there for helping out how the things are. We can work it out in an easy way, how we can run it smoothly. So that is one of the key area that we are looking after. And one more thing, benefits are one of the things that many of the people from India and other countries also they don't know exactly that these are the also benefit which government are providing, and it is not reached to these people also. So this also a bridge between both of the things, that how the government is working, how the things are working it out, and how people are getting benefited on this particular part. So we need to see in both the cases.
This is very interesting to understand how things are happening on the grassroots level. So before going into the main part, I would like to know about your early career time when you started as an HR professional, right? And you also worked as a leadership person for many years. So if you can just brief me about what it was all about.
Okay, so I can say brief of about my profile part. So started my career in a corporate level, where I learn about most of the things which is related with how a corporate person is getting experience in terms of employers and as a part of employer also many of the things which is get experience, and where people come to understand like how competition things are work it out in any of the classes. It is like any of the sector, I can say that it is for any of the part, for the energy, for the automotive, it is for manufacturing, and or any of the sector part which is being working it out. So how people are facing an issues on these particular things also, a challenges, then after a business is driven. So there are many of the multiple things which is come under that part, and it is work it out in a very, I can say, challenging also, even though it isn't part of a very versatile, but it is more low towards like how the people are running through a total means their experience part is also how they are gaining and how they're delivering to the people itself, like for the business, even though for the people experience part. As I look after as a profile for both, like from the, I can say from the hire to fire, I see both the things. I even go from hire to retirement also. I've seen that where there are many happy faces are there who goes in a very good way. Like we get a very good experience. Their family there also get a very good. I can say they come to know that there are many good things which has been happening in their life also. So that is one of the part we get an experience on this particular things. Yes.
How did you shape yourself from a corporate employee to getting associated with the government bodies? So what was that transition period like?
Both
What made you think?
both experience are something different actually, because
Mm.
as a part of corporate, I can say it is one of the part where people are more towards like they're okay with what they are experiencing to how the things are working out, what are the new things they're learning in a day-to-day life. It is different, and government thinks it is more towards like how we are going to formulate with the people itself and with the with the government itself, because there are many things which is come directly to us. It is
Mm.
like how now if it is, I can say, I take a one example part. If I have to go ahead with any of the new policies that I have to implement in any of the state part, right? So
Mm.
I have to
Mm.
see that how the people are now how how people are implementing that, right? According to that, I have to see that how it is being implemented to the next level, means how these people are acceptable into a new level part. So that is like you can say before COVID and after COVID, it is one of the dead part, I can say that,
Mm. Mm.
because
Mm.
many
Mm.
of the things it is get changed after that also. So as a technology part, then after if it is being implemented across the locations, so that we need to see on that, right? And second aspect, adaptability according to the government policies and all, people should know about it, how the people are aware about it, so that we also need to see on that.
So
Yeah.
what particular activities you are doing right now through, as you told, right, in the grassroots level, people do not get to know what benefits they can avail
Yeah,
from
many
government.
schemes are there. There are many benefited that people are not knowing about it. So
Mm.
what we come to know, it is more about that um, they understand like things are with there, right, with them, right? But the thing is that how to go ahead with that part, so they don't know actually.
Mm.
So there are many schemes are there. People understand, but how they are going to run through that, they don't know actually. So
Mm.
we are there to get it aware, then after how you are getting from that particular part, so that
Mm.
is also one of the things.
So what kind of benefits they get? Like, are they going to get benefited to monetary
Yeah, monetary,
base?
even though if I say it is a part of ESIC, then after it is like many of the wages regulations are there. So
Mm.
they don't know that from where they are going to get it. Then after there are many policies which is get benefited from their EDLI, and
Mm.
then after there are many things which is get it done from the pension itself, right? So these are the things which is get associated, but the thing is that they don't know how the employment is getting through this also, means how they are
Mm.
going to generate all this part through this also. So we need to guide it out, because there are many people who are uneducated also. Then after they just know that these offices we need to go, we are getting
Mm.
some of the yes answer from there, then after how
Mm.
we are going to implement it. So this is the only part they understood, not other part actually.
Mm.
Yeah.
So do you have any policies for businesses or any startups in that case? Are you in that
Yeah,
league?
yeah. See, so there are many things where I get involved also in this particular part as a part of employment generation. So we do a
Mm.
lot many job fairs. Then after many of the schemes which has been help it out for the startups also, even though for the people from the engineering, from the MBA background, and many of the people who are from the, I can say 10th, 12th also, those who are just learning it out, like from the ITI diploma also. So there are many of the schemes that we come to understand, like from the skill India also. There are many of the things that we are going to be help it out as a part of our skilling. Okay. So in this particular what we do, we come to understand like which are the key area where people want to go ahead with the part of job itself, as in part of career path, and any of the prospect as a part of business, as a part of startups, or any of the things. So from the
Mm.
startups also, where they get a business part as a part of investment, and secondary part of a person who want to go ahead with the job of any of the reputed industries. Okay. So what we do, we generate this type of jobs in a market where people get more and more employment opportunities. Okay. Like
Mm.
nowadays you know about robotic automations are there, AI is in
Mm.
part of that. So that is one of the key area people want to go and join also, because there
Mm.
are, because nowadays people want to understand like there are many of the things which has been in market,
Mm.
but now the job roles are getting changed. So we said that these are the new opportunity which is in the market. You can grab that opportunities also in any of the part. It is not only for the part of IT, non-ITs. It is like for the service sectors also. There are many opportunities which is get generated. So we help the people to understand like which are the new opportunities are there, which are the government schemes are there for the jobs itself where they can apply and they can go through to that part. So that is one of the part.
So how one can get avail these benefits? Like you told, right? There are so many schemes and all. What is the process? Let's say if I want to get avail some schemes for my business, let's say.
Okay.
So
Okay.
what is the procedure? Where I can find this list of schemes that I can be benefited?
So I can say that there are many startup schemes are being introduced by the government itself. So you can go ahead with the this skill MSMEs. That is one of the point, right? From the skill India, and then after an MSME portal is also there, which is get implemented across the locations part. So from there and from the state wise, it is differ to differ. Okay, means their registration to their means from their land registration, then after their PAN card and their process itself as a part of that. So so there are some of the schemes which is implemented as per the state wise. So they can go ahead with that particular part and they understand like which are the process system they can avail that. Like some of the I can say universities are there. Some of the startups they are getting a benefit up to 50 lakh. So that is one of the point. If I
This
want
50 lakh is a grant amount that will be like availing, or it
no,
is a
no. It is more like which type of business you want to go ahead with that. What is the amount which is get involved in this particular part? Suppose you want to start one of the businesses which is related with the food itself, right? So what do you can do? Like I want an investment of around 30 lakh rupees, right? And you want to expand for the other businesses part and other locations too also, right? So you can say that I can I want an startup for the 60 lakh rupees, 80 lakh rupees. So whatever government can help it out for this particular, they can start with that. Even some of the government university, they also help it out to get it down. If your things are work it out for their beneficiary for that, because many investors are there, they want to start their things in this particular businesses itself. They want to invest their money in this particular. Come with the idea where it is get multiplies. So that's
So here, what I'm trying to understand is, let's say I want to start a AI agency wherein I'm using AI and machine learning technologies and other things to market our business. Let's say I'm setting up an agency which will help people build their AI models and help them automate their marketing. Right? Let's say if that requires an investment of 50 lakhs, for example, what do I have to do? Do I have to come up with a presentation and talk to people or update it on like portal, or get in touch with people like you who will access me to the people who can be associated? What is the procedure? Like I'm trying to
okay. So
understand.
we
Yeah.
so what is the thing? It is more like you need to come up with the ideas. But first of all, suppose I'm an investor, I want to go ahead with that. But so there are many investors are there in market. Even though those who are in a big player, they come to understand like, yes, suppose I want to start my business for the renewable energy, right? And that target part it is more towards an 2 crore rupees. Okay, from where I get this particular part. So I go with the portal of an government part where the schemes are being listed, and you will get and benefited of this particular part, right? So there, where you're going to put up your means project itself, the place, area, everything that you need to register first of all. The things are getting verified. Once it is get verified, then after an one-to-one meeting with that particular people are there who are in part of this particular project itself. And once it is get approved, so you will come to understand like which are the things you can get it down from here, and you can start from itself. Even though for the guidelines also you get it out. Guidelines in the sense like how you are going to complete this project. Even though for the marketing itself, where you can set up that which area part you can set up this particular things are there. Then like, who are the and I can say customers are there who can utilize this particular thing. So these are the also one of the part where from your starting to till your business setup, everything it is been a part of it.
So, which location it is restricted to? Your services are restricted to which location? All over India or any specific
No,
state?
every location it is there.
Yeah,
You can
let's
go to
say
Jammu also, you can go to Arunachal Pradesh, you can go to Sikkim also, you can go to Kerala also. Every places are there. Yeah.
Okay. So do you help a person to start like create a project report for the idea also? Like, let's someone
Yes,
wants to
yes, yes,
start.
yes. Anyone wants to start it. So, first of all, you need to find it out which are the, if you have some visions for a big project, so you have some idea that how the things are working out. So just
Mm,
jot down that particular part, how the projects are working it out. Then
mm,
after how it has been lined with that particular area, it has been worked out in a positive way, or if it is not done in that area, but how I can help it out for the other locations too. So that is one
mm,
of the area that we can see, and how it has been used in a different locations too. So that also we are going to see on that. Means initially how much you require data in a part of a financial terms, then after how it
mm,
has been worked out for the next term. So that we need to see.
mm. So for this, all the services what you provide, right? Whatever support you provide, right? So what will be your compensation? How much do you charge, or what do you expect from an individual?
If it is from the government project, so we have a people who go ahead with that. If it is from the outside, it is more like a corporate or something like that. So there are some of the things that is get charged according to
Mhm.
the, depends on the projects. And yeah.
Okay, okay. So, any specific success story if you have to share that was specific investment, or you helped a company to like start off with your support? Any specific in your mind?
Okay, that has been started. Okay, so I
Mm,
have one project itself, so which is in part of and part of an startup for the skill India itself. So
mm,
we have an some project which is related with the skill up for the student. Like they want people from the background of the robotic automation. So it is a one of the AI company. Okay, so
mm,
so they want people from the market itself, because it is not so easy part to find it. The people who are already in a skill person in a market, where we
mm,
don't need to be trained much on this particular part, right?
mm,
So they want to start it for the across 4 to 5 locations part, up to the
mm,
turnover of up to 50 crore. They're just starting with that part. Okay, and they want to
mm,
set up in that particular part. So we help it out to get it out a project from the skill India itself, and we help them to set up in a 3 4 locations part. So it is like from they started from the Mumbai itself. So we help it out for the other, like for the UP also in Delhi, then after in Maharashtra. Now they're working out in Karnataka also. So that is one of the biggest things that they want to start, and we support them with the help of the skill force that they wanted. So that is one of the things that getting it up. Even though for the financial terms also, so they come up with the idea that it has been helped it out for the future aspect, like how the green representative, they want to go ahead with the footprint. It is being work it out in a different locations, right?
mm.
So we help it out in that also. So
So
that is
here, what challenge what I see is a lot of people have ideas or have potential to start off with something. Let's say
okay.
I am from a business background, I would come up with such examples only. I do not have any examples in the employment point of view or any skill development point of view. But here, what happens is there are a lot of schemes there are whom we can avail, but we lack in terms of the resources to reach there, or the path to access those benefits.
Particular part, how they want to reach it out, how they want to
So
access it out,
how
right?
how you are going to ease this process, or what is your day-to-day activity which is helping people to ease off this challenge?
So the thing is that once a person want to reach it out, if of any of the part, right? Means it is like a world is not big. I can say that people can
Mm,
reach it out any of the part where you want to reach it out first.
correct.
Secondary aspect, I can say that if you want to go ahead with any of the point where you are not able to reach it out, right? In the
Mm,
terms of what are the things that I want to get benefited, I am not able to reach it out. So
mm,
if you're going out in any of the means any of the state, if any of the portal itself, like it is from the central or from the state itself, so you
mm,
come to understand like these are the portfolio already which is work it out in this part, right? So any
mm,
of the people from our STEM, means I can say that in our connect, or I can say a reach out person who can be able to solve that issues itself. A person is not able to if as a resource person, if is not able to get it out. So anyhow,
mm,
some any touch would be there or something like that, that a person can reach, or a person can go ahead with any of the perspective that they want
mm.
to explore and all. So that would be okay. A person who can come to us so that we can help it out in this particular year.
As you spoke about women empowerment and youth development also, right? Apart from the business way. what are the key challenges of women are facing these days, and also key challenges the youth is facing, so that
Okay.
you are addressing those things through your uh, policies.
So, women's empowerment part, see, I'm a founder of Divine HR also. So, in this particular, we are doing as a part of empowering the women's itself. So, we are connected with many of the NGOs also, even though for the with the rural areas, many of the Gram Panchayat people are there, Jila Parishad people are there. So, in this rural area part, there are many women they are facing a problem for the violences itself, livelihood. Then after healthcare problems are there, so we reach it out to these people to get it aware about which are the medical things that they understood that also. So we create an awareness campaign, okay, particular for this means for their health itself, for their financial advisory, how you can balance your work life balance. So we have in many means, we help them to get it down as a part of financial independence part. So we create
Mhm.
awareness about this particular also. Even for the education also, to we give them as a part of some education's benefit, as in part of some schools, some night education as a part of 3 to 4 hours,
Mhm.
small sessions on any of the topic parts, which has been helpful for their livelihood, and also that we are generating that. Even
Mhm.
though for the self-employment also, we create as a part of entrepreneurship skills set also, like some
Mhm.
small, like they can to make some clothing business, something that is for the food itself, like, and some of the things they can use it for the household also, for decorative items and all. So this is commanded for their livelihood part and all. So that would be
Mhm.
helpful for their future business itself, like they want to start something new, or they want to understand like which are the things that they can help it out for the future expert for their children's itself. And for the small children's also, we are helping them out also as an part of their education's part, like we give them some this board itself. Board in this is like a where they can write it down some of the points and all. Then after some of their school fees also, the means they're not able to pay it out, so we help it out also with the schemes and all. Then
Mhm.
after, I can say that there are many challenges are there. There are domestic violences are there.
Mhm.
So we have in connection with the women's commissions also, where we come to understand like which are the means how they are get privileged for this particular things. If the any woman is facing any of the issue in at any of the home part, as a part of family issues are there, so
Mhm.
we help them to understand like like which are the issues are there. Then after, how women's commission can get over all this problem to get solved, okay.
Mhm.
And as in part of empowerment, I can say that how and women can they feel like how they can reach it out a person itself, where a person gets solved all this problem of any of the issues part of anything. So we try to understand that also. We have in one portal also, like for this particular things, like redressal, women's redressals forum we have also in this particular
Mhm.
part, where they can reach it out. They can tell about which are the things they are facing it out, and we can help it out in this particular form, like how they can help, how we can help it out this particular issues, and how we can resolve in this particular part. We have a team of 30 people, and we are reaching out to many of the state itself. And we are sometimes we are creating some awareness sessions for this particular, like for the financial aspect. Then after, for the healthcare, even though we have some types with the hospitals also, so they are getting some of benefits from there also, where we can help it out for their body checkup and many of the things.
So, as far as youth development is concerned, what are the challenges these youths are facing these days? One challenge I would say is constant change in the job market. So, whatever they have learned in their college or school, right, that is not
Okay.
going to help them to get a job. So, challenge I feel that a lot of youths are facing. So, do you have any schemes or policies or some workshops, seminars which are going to help them in this way? If yes, what are those? So that if anyone is watching this video would like to get access to you and get benefited.
So I can say that youth are one of the power of our country. Okay,
Mhm.
so it is one of the part which is come up with some new thinking, a new generation. I can say it is like a new technology. People are there as a digital India. I can say that where people are more understanding about what are the new technologies are there, where we can get more benefited towards any of the education's part or any of the or any of the development which is coming our nation part. Okay, so in this particular, I can say youth development is one of the ratio where people understand like if they're taking any admissions in college itself, so they come to know that आज ये कर लेते हैं so next means after 3 years we are getting a very good opportunities in market. Now I already told that jobs roles are now getting shifted. Okay, so
Hmm.
these youth are also getting understand like after 10 12 it is not only about that you are getting only a mechanical or a doctor or as a lawyer part. Okay, they
Hmm.
know about that. Now the things are getting changed. Now digital market is one of the platform where we're getting a more job opportunities and healthcare opportunities are there. Then after analyst positions are there. So there are many means we are doing an awareness sessions in a college itself, even though for the schools itself, where they understand like where the trends are getting shifted. Okay, it is not only about like from the college to corporate. It is about that how the old version to new version. I can say that it is get shifted now. Okay,
Hmm.
so in this particular, we understand like there are many opportunities which is come in a market itself. So we
Hmm.
connecting the people itself now. Jobs are in their hand itself. Like they come to their
Hmm.
campus itself to get it joined and other things.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
we help them to understand like these are the opportunities are there, and you get it enrolled in this particular form. So we are doing some just this employment generations to for this particular like for the corporate also, even though for many of the classes it is for the service industries, it is for tech IT non-IT, both the things are there included. So challenges are also in one of the part where people don't connect easily. It is more like if you are doing only a degree part, like अगर आपके पास केवल एक बी engineering की degree है, so it is not an a one way process. It is like once you complete it, so what are the other things that you invest in yourself? At the
Hmm.
9 to 5
Apart from your regular curriculum, you should also help yourself with
secondary aspect, it is not
that skills.
only a person. I can say if you are only doing a part of a 9 to 5 job, now people are not counting about it. What giving back for the society itself, how you are going to go ahead with that, how the things are
Hmm.
going to present that makes a difference in a market.
Correct.
Okay, it is like
Hmm.
what are the other skills that you know. I
Hmm.
done
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
be mechanical part. Be mechanical. आपने किया. After that, what you learn about it means what are
Hmm.
the new technology part that you have know about it. So these
Hmm.
people are getting a new opportunities according to this only. Because the thing is that it is not only a simple part. If you just want to go ahead and work it out in a workshop or in a production department or in a quality department, it's more like that. What is demanding for yourself? It is more
Okay.
about yeah, because the people, it is not about that they want to only work for one part. It is more about that how they can explore their skill set. It is more about it. So upskilling is one of the part. आपका एक हो गया means if you have done with any of the any of the courses itself, any of the degrees. So after that, you just go ahead with any of the skill set where you can explore yourself. So that is one of the point where people are getting it at. So to reach out these people also to understand the things also. So we go to rural areas also because city people they knows well. The
Hmm.
area means they all knows about it, which are the things they can go, they can reach out, and they can get a very good part on this particular. So we don't need to see much on that particular.
So here I would like to set a narrative and understand how that can be beneficial for someone. I just spoke about a young community, right? There is a young woman, right, who wants to start a business. Okay. So I have taken three different narratives here. One is a person who is young, youth development. Second is about women empowerment, that is a woman, and she wants to start a business, right? So she is just started. She has understood what product she wants to sell, and she has also understood where she wants to sell it. But the only problem she is having is she is not able to start off because of some financial restrictions. She doesn't have so much capital to start off kick off today. The other thing is she also doesn't have all the required knowledge to start business, and at the same time she is looking for as you told, some government subsidies or government policies which will help her.
Where government can help it out to start with this
Correct.
particular which benefits they are getting it up to reach out that particular part. So we are helping out as a
Correct.
part of
So here,
as a part of
so
helping
here
out that.
what I wanted from you is, you saw the narrative, right? What I'm expecting here. What I want you is, this person, this lady, what she has to do step by step. Let's say if you can give me 5 steps in the initial stages, what she has to come up with from her end. Second thing, what you can contribute from your end. Third thing, using both the things, how she can get benefited and kick off. At the end of this, she just want to kick off her business, start off her business through either of their means. So she is missing out with the funds. The second thing is the skill or the knowledge or resource people who can help her to build the skill. Third thing is she will take care of it with those skills or money what she'll be getting. So I just wanted from you what should be the checklist or things she should do now so that she can start off.
Any of the part, it is not only about an startup. It is more about that how they can enroll themselves as a part of business itself, I can say. Okay. So a person need to first of all identify like which are the business area he want to explore that. Okay.
That's what she has selected a product that she wants to start. That is done. Okay, let's go in this way. As you told, we should identify a product or a business. Okay. That is the first step. Okay, we got it. She has selected a product. What should be the next step?
Next step, once it has been done, then after which area he wants to start it. Okay.
Okay.
But third thing, it is like what are the financial expected that a person needed. Okay.
That is the project report, that how much money she would be requiring.
Projections that we required it for to start up that particular part. Okay.
Okay.
Then after once it has been started, okay, so which are the things that he wants to explore? It is only for the one locations or for the other locations, or how they want a person's like it is started for the one or two people itself, or it is for how many people they want to start it. So according to that, they can involve like how we can go ahead with that. And second aspect, a market area where you can reach it out. Okay.
To sell.
Yeah, to sell. So which
Before that you spoke
about that. Then
one
after,
second.
Yeah.
Before this you spoke about how many people are going to involve in this. What does you mean? Does it mean how many employment generation she can create through this?
No. It is about once you have started, how many people would be there. It is like for the only one or two people are there, because some of the people they want to start it. Yeah, they want to start it, but they're telling it is a joint, or we want only a single person is there. There are 3 to 4 people are there. A person who is going to look after it. So we need to understand that also. Yeah.
So this was about it is going to a proprietary firm or partnership firm or LLP.
Yeah. That also we need to, for getting registered for this particular, we need to understand that for this. Okay. And then after once it has been started, like it is get for the registration process. Then after where it is been area wise also we need to identify that where that particular is there and which are the end customers are there as a part of, I can say, which has been in a demand part. Okay. So if I say that if you want to start as a part of a 25 lakh rupees, okay. So your marketplace, it is only for that particular reason, it is for that particular state, it is for that India part, or it is for the international. So that is also one of the impact that you need to create that. So you understand like which are the competitors are there where you can reach it out. So these are the I can say is a basic 5 points I can say you can start with this particular. And how and what are your visions after 5 years? So you want to start with this particular part. After 3 years, you want to say that it is come you generate a 3 crore of business itself in this particular part. So what is your particular vision for this particular? Which are the roles that you have defined particular to start with this? How you are going to reach out to your customers part and all. So you need to see that which are the area that you already started that particular.
Okay.
There are many people who started online, but the thing is that they are not able to reach it. Finally, where we can say they are just reaching out to a person. Mujhe bata dena. Yeah, I can see that how it is working out. But there are many of the people who said that हम यहाँ website में गए यहाँ पर सब चीजें था या from the YouTube you understand like where you can reach it, how you can start it with that. There are some of the people where they started as a part of digital marketing also. They make a very good videos and they put it out where people can reach it out. So there are many of the things which has been there.
Okay. Yeah. Once these 5 things are designed, right? How you guys will help her to achieve the required target. So let's say these things have been figured out. What will be the next step?
So next step, so we find it out which projects are there, what is the value of this project itself. Secondary, we see that like for which area it has been there to incorporate that particular. Okay. Third thing, the people involved in this particular part, are they all are in the same segment, or they all are working out like it is not about that they're working for the multiple part and they want to start with this particular as an one things. Okay. So to background things are also we need to find it out. Okay. Then fourth thing, so we are seeing that what is the financial capability that we can reach it out this particular if we are supporting them. So after 5 years, where is this business we can see itself, because it is one of the investment I can say, right? Huh? As a part of any of the person that who want to start, where they can reach it out. If you can start with the agriculture business also, you want to start with the solar energy also, you can start with any of the product. So there are many of the means prospectives are many things. Okay, but the things that where you can reach it out in this particular. Okay, so we need, so we are supporting that also. Then after that we are seeing that this particular business itself. So once they are starting or they can start with this particular part, so where they can reach it out, which clients we can help it out to start the business. Market, I can say marketplace, where people
Market access also you will help.
where they can start their business itself, where they can reach it out, which are the places that they can be a part of it. So we help it out to get registered also. We introduce them also in a different forums or any of the different portfolio where they can work it out. So we help it out in this particular.
So here, what one question I have is, once if she wants to start this, right, how much capital or amount of money she should invest here? Is it like she can start with zero without investing anything from her end, or she also should need to contribute any specific percentage or X amount of money to the?
That a person depends on business to business. I can say that how much funding it is required. So a person need to be small. They can invest in a small way. Also, they can reach it out in a different level. I can say that my budgeted amount it is up to 50 lakh rupees, but I have only 5 lakh rupees. So they can start with that also, because they have small capital on this particular. Once they are getting that amount part, so they can reach it out to the different portfolio also. Means they can reach out like these other places we can start with that. So a small amount it isn't part of that. It depends on which type of things it is going to be started.
There is scope of starting off with zero also. You can help us with all the required funding.
Yeah. That would be helpful. Peter. In some of the cases it is there. Yeah.
It was really nice insights that I have received. If someone wants to start, right, she gets to know, or a person would be this part of the
Women get a more benefited for his startups actually, because many of the things, if you want to start with any of the product, it is from the to start as a part of at home also. If you are starting, so you understand like these other things that you come to know or any of the things. So that has been helped it out.
And here, what one thing what I have is, for all this support and services you provide, right? What do you expect? Do you expect any service fee for this, or do you expect an equity in the company, like shareholding in the company? How it is like? What will be that a
Some
person
of the
should give?
cases, if it isn't part of equity shares, it is come under afterwards once it is get started. First of all, where that business is going to be come up with that. What is there benefited for after 3 years? If you're seeing as a part of how much they're earning, how much they are getting profitability. So according to that, we can say that then after they can add up some of the I can say as a part of shareholders, or they want to start with that. So that is.
So this initial amount of funds that you will be deploying, right? So for that, it will be in the form of like capital or loan, or how it is?
Oh, no, they get it as a part of a startup amount fundings are there. So according to schemes only they are getting it up actually.
So it will be part of a grant, as in.
As in part of grant only they are getting it up. So as in part of loan, I can see if you are getting it up directly from banking part, I can say. So that isn't part of loan. But once you are applying for as a part of startup, so you come to know that through this I'll get it. So that is not come under like particular. So I can say some part of amount only you will get it in this particular.
Nice, really nice, insightful. I would like to know about your achievements. Like I have seen some achievements they have been recognized for your work. If you can just mention those achievements of yours, what you have been recognized for from the I one achievement that is striking my mind is that about award from APJ Abdul Kalam this thing agency. So if you just tell me about your recognitions and brief me about what it was all about.
So it's a part of recognition. So that APJ Abdul Kalam award that I get it in at class when I was in a class 10th only, because the thing is that if I started my journey, so I started my journey from Chukre Vidyalaya, as I'm a student of that. Okay, so I
Mm-hmm.
represented many of the times, like 2 times I represented in nationals. Then after for the international also I get selected on this particular part. Okay, secondary aspect, if I am telling about that, these things are work it out for me as a part of how forefront I am working out in many of the times I'm representing. So I selected for a state level for representations for this particular. I was not part of Scout and Guide and NCC also. So I selected for the national levels in this particular. So there I represented my directed for the MPCJ itself. So I represented Jabalpur region in this particular in Haridwar and then after Delhi also. So there I get recognized for this President Award. Then after I get
Excellent.
it many of the recognition from the World Peace this forum also UNDP. Then after from many of the ministries part also. Then after now also I'm working out in many of the. I said that I have my own foundation too according to that. So
Your foundation name is Divine HR, right?
yeah, Divine HR.
So just tell me about what Divine HR does and how it is making an impact. If you can just give me a gist about what activities you guys do.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Divine HR is one of the forum we are working out more towards and women's empowerment for the diversities also. Secondly, we have people across 3,000 women are associated with us. It is like an high and all people are associated in that, and we are reaching it out in many of the part where people get benefited as a part of. Any of the things which is working out as in part of employment generation, I can say one of the part youth development. Even though Sakal Yin is also one of the part where we have initiated some of the part as and part as young inspirational network, where young students come to understand like which are the opportunities are there in market itself, right? Then after like for the medical benefit also, those who are in a rural area, and for the financial benefits what women get it out. So we understand that and we are helping it out in many of the terms in this. Then after grievances complaints in our daily job role, so that we are doing it. Okay, so we are every year we are conducting many of the things for the go green initiatives also. We are planting trees. Then after we are reaching out in many of the CSR funding which will be help it out to this, like those who are in an area where raining is also not done many of the times, where they're facing many of the issues and all. Okay, so we reach out these people also to understand how they can go ahead with the green environment, how we can go ahead with the go ahead green footprint. So these are the things that we are helping. Okay, so this is one of the things that has been impacting in many of the places. Okay, even we have people from across many of the different background. Like doctor is also another part, lawyer is also another part, teacher is also another part. Then after even from the political background, if I am say, so they are also another part of ours. Okay, so all are coming up with different ideas that how we can help it out towards particular for the women's things and all. Okay, so these people are already help us as an part of us, so they already come with the awareness sessions. Then after there are many laws and orders are there which is being helped it out to get out in many of the things which is get solved. So entrepreneurship startup, then after it is for the I say that for the financial benefits I can say. So to balance their work life balance also, even though for their livelihood itself. So these are the things that we doing it, and it is like from last 5 years we are doing it. Yeah, so we
Nice.
have to reach out. Yeah, even though there are some of the NGOs, they aren't part of us, so they also come to us, like how we can support them. So we give them a platform where they can reach out to many of the people, where they can see themselves in a different level part, where they are helping it out. So these are the things we are doing.
One last question I have is, apart from the professional life and the career achievements that you do, what does Preeti does for herself? Like, what is Preeti all about? So what she does for herself specifically, if she does some cycling activity or she goes out for an outing. So what is your life after your
All these
work?
parts, okay. So
Yeah.
apart from this, I said that I like to go for the traveling, trekking, then after cooking, and then after gardening. So these are the main area that I look after. Then after writing is also one of the part where I do writing many of the times. And then after reading is one of my habit parts. So even my 3 research papers is get published also, even though.
Oh,
Yeah,
wonderful.
yeah. So I done many of the research things also professionally as in part of personally also.
So what was this topic of research? Like, what area of research it
Research,
was?
it is some part of like for the one topic, it is for the engagement drives which has been done at the workplace. So where how people are getting engaged, how people are getting motivated. So this is one of the area. Secondary, it is like in work culture itself, like how we can balance and work culture across the locations part and all. Third thing, it is like people orientations, like how we are going to deal with the people itself. Any of the area part, any of the things, how people are getting an how people are getting treated also, it is one of the part where we are going at with this. So these are the major part where we are going at with this particular things. Now many of the things which is going to be come up. Yeah.
Oh,
So
nice.
these are the things. So as in personally, I go ahead with many of the like which is more adventurous, creative, something new that I have always tried for this particular. Yeah.
Yeah, it was really nice interacting with you, Preeti. I had such a roadmap for anybody to tell ki if someone wants to start a business, that can how they can do it. And as being a marketing professional, right, from my last 8 plus years, so I happen to meet a lot of businesses who would like to expand their existing business, or I also happen to meet young people from just college dropped out, passed out people who would like to start off with something, and they lack in all this relevant information and knowledge. So I feel that you would be the right person whom I would like to connect them to. If just in case, if in just in case if they want to, if it works out for both of us in any ways, it will be a great help from. But then overall, having discussion with you and understanding what you do and how you're benefiting the society through various channels, it is really appreciating, and I'm really happy and excited that I was part of this discussion. Thank you so much for being part of my show. Thank you so much, Preeti.
Yeah. Thank you.